Right now, I would build a GPT. The GPT would start with their job description and all of your notes on anything they've told you they need for the role. And then every reason that they have told you, all 15 of these candidates have been rejected, explained out in the GPT as part of the base understanding of the instructions. Then the goal of the GPT will be to predict what the objections are from the client with any resume and notes that you put in.
That's brilliant.
So when you put it in there, you'll get that. Now, it doesn't mean that they can't have an objection. It means that you'll be able to send yourself and your candidates in with some of their possible objections already on their mind with rebuttals.
I love that idea.